New tonight, the man accused of stealing a government car, causing a horrible crash that critically hurt another man and his young daughter, is not going to be going anywhere anytime soon.
A district court judge decided John Bearden will stay locked up until his trial. But there was confusion about Bearden's criminal history. His attorney thought might be able to get him out on an ankle monitor today. Brianna Wilson listened in, has those details for us. Brianna, we also have an update on those victims in this case.
That's right, Julie, Tessa. So the woman who organized an online fundraiser for the family says they're both responding to treatment, but have a very long road to recovery. Now, as for Bearden, like you said, he's not getting out of jail tonight, and that decision had a lot to do with the seriousness of this crime. Now, a warning for you now, the surveillance video that we have from that crash that happened 2 weeks ago may be difficult to watch.
He stole a motor vehicle from the state fairgrounds that he was driving in a reckless manner, struck a vehicle, and seriously injured a father and his young daughter.
That was only part of the state's argument for why John Bearden should stay locked up until his trial. He's accused of hitting and seriously injuring 43-year-old David Pizarro and his 10-year-old daughter Penny with a state government car police say he stole from the state fairgrounds last month. They also say he was high on meth at the time.
Obviously, this incident itself indicates that the defendant is a danger to the community, and then, of course, his history of multiple felony convictions.
But that criminal history caused some confusion in court today.
Mr. Knoll.
No,
yes.
No, Mr. Bearden, do not interrupt.
Bearden and his attorney saying the state confused the suspect with his father, who has the same name, on multiple documents.
All exhibits, except for one, have a birth date that is not the defendant's birth date. The great bodily harm portion of the charges in this case are also questionable because the state has yet to present medical evidence of great bodily harm to the occupants of the other car.
Judge Stan Whitaker said even if he were to question the other cases, this most recent case is what really concerns him.
The passenger and the driver in this car who apparently were trapped and unconscious when the officer arrived, and the medical personnel. That's enough for the court to be concerned.
That was enough for Judge Whitaker to decide Bearden will stay behind bars for now. Meanwhile, a GoFundMe for Pizarro and his daughter has raised more than $50,000 so far. The organizer posted an update today saying the father started rehab and is slowly relearning how to walk. While doctors discovered Penny has brain function, they need to run more tests to see the full extent. Until then, she remains sedated on a ventilator. Now, a spokesperson with the district attorney's office tells me they stand by the decision of the judge and will verify which prior arrests and convictions belong to Bearden and which belong to the person with the same name. She also says situations like this are rare, but do happen. Julie?
All right, Brianna, thanks for the update.